Good evening, friends. Here we are on the final day of Harmony 2006. Wow, time has passed in a jiffy. What a marvelous and fun-filled amalgamation of events it's been. The scientific events, then from fine arts, singing, dancing, live surgery, hands-on courses. Whew, the list is long. But we GDCites have still not tired. And with our high spirits, we now come to you with this evening's events. So let us first start with our prize distribution ceremony. For that, I'd like to call upon our Acting Dean, Dr. D.G. Paul, Dr. Mansingh Pawar, Dr. Omarji, and Dr. Dimple Mistry to please come on the dais, and also our General Secretary, Mr. Azim Khoja, and our Cultural Secretary, Ashwin Bonde, to please come on the dais. I now hand over to my colleague, Kanchan.
Good evening, everyone. Now we'll start with the presentation ceremony. First of all, I will request Dr. D.G. Paul, the acting dean of today, to hand over the prizes to our postgraduate students for their grand success. Starting off with the post-graduation student of the first year, Part 1 examination, Dr. Ishwaran Ramaswamy. Next is Dr. Prashant Shirke, who is the topper of university for Part 2 MDS examination. Starting off with the final year toppers, Mona Bhanushali, who has topped the final year. She has also secured highest position in oral surgery and oral medicine and radiology. The second highest position is Kavita Sahu for final year. Kavita Sahu. Now we start on with the individual toppers. For prosthetics, it's Nirja Gokhale. For conservative dentistry and endodontics, we have Samiksha Desai. For pedodontics, it's Maitreyi Mehta. Can we have a big round of applause for her? Next, coming to oral surgery, it's Ashutosh Karnik. For periodontics, it's again Nirja Gokhale. For orthodontics, it's Maniprabha Rohela. Now it's time to felicitate our October-November batch of final year. We start on with the highest position of Supriya Jadhav. She has also scored highest marks in prosthetics, periodontics, periodontics, orthodontics, and oral diagnosis and radiology. Coming to the second topper, it's Torel Shah. She has also secured highest marks in oral diagnosis and radiology. Highest score for conservative dentistry and endodontics goes to Dipti Vaidya. And highest for oral surgery goes to Pratima Pandey. Now I would request Dr. Mansingh Pawar, HOD of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, to give away the prizes for third year rights. Starting off with the third year June-July batch, who has topped in third year is Neha Toshnewal. She has also secured highest marks in oral pathology. The second ranker of third year rights is Kavita Kumar. For general medicine, we have Gaurav Joshi. The prize for community dentistry is shared by Narayan Swami and Dipali Harbada. Now comes the third year batch, October-November 2005, that is, pardon? Sorry. Okay, general surgery, the prize is shared by, it's not shared, it individually goes to Neha Khambate. I'm extremely sorry for not announcing it. Now we switch on to October-November batch. The first topper is Sunny Manchanda. has also secured highest marks in general surgery and community dentistry. The second topper is Garima Purohit. She has also secured highest marks in general medicine. Can we have a big round of applause for her? Now, Garima. Going on to oral pathology, it's Ansari Khaleda. Ansari Khaleda. Now I would request Dr. H.R. Umarji to give the next prizes. Starting off with the second year rights. For June-July 2005 batch, it's Saili Patankar.
Living in this world, I'm dealing with reality. Look in the darkness and take a stand.
She has also secured highest marks in general microbiology and pathology and dental anatomy and dental histology. The second topper of second year is Nazneen.
Back. In front. Back. In front.
She has also secured highest marks in preclinical operative. Next, I call upon Uma Gupta, who has secured the highest marks in prosthetics. Going on to the October-November 2005 batch for second. Manoj. For general pharmacology, we have Manoj. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. Next, we switch on to October-November 2005 second year batch. The topper is Bhimrao Munde. He has also secured highest marks in general pathology, microbiology, dental anatomy and dental histology, prosthetic preclinics and operative dentistry. The second topper for this year is Holi Mohammad Idris Abdul Majid. Ankur Abhang Rao has topped for pharmacology. Now we start on with the first year rights, and I would request Dr. Dimple Mistry to do the honors. The topper is Ipshita Kukreja. She secured highest marks in anatomy and dental materials. not there. Okay. The second topper is Marathe Aslesha. And she has secured highest marks in physiology. Now we go on to the first year October-November 2005 batch. Rohini Jadhav has topped it. Rohini Jadhav. She has also secured highest marks in general anatomy. The topper for general physiology is Madne Ravindra Kumar. The dental materials prize has been shared by Amit Kumar Gogak and Jyotsna Kute. I would like to call upon my colleague Ashutosh Karnik to collect this prize for topping oral surgery. That's all with the prize distribution ceremony. I would like to hand over the mic to Arwa.
My colleague Kavita Sahu is right now in the hall, so please come up on the stage to collect her certificate. And I also request the first year second topper to please come up on stage. Radhika. Now, while we're all having fun today, it is our duty to remember those who are not with us today. On Jan 24th, 2005, Vinit Kumar Runwal lost his life. He was a brilliant child, excelled in academics, dramatics, secured 97.3% in his HSC. He achieved very good skills in carving and prosthodontics, which is why his parents have called upon this special award to appreciate skills in carving and preclinical prosthetics. I call upon his father, Sunil Kumar Runwal, and his uncle, Ratilal Firodia, to please come up on stage. I request Dr. D.G. Paul to please hand over a bouquet to them.
This person for preclinical prosthetics, she is Uma Gupta.
The prize for preclinical prosthetics goes to Uma Gupta. Kindly come up on stage. I request Sunil Kumar Runwal and Ratilal Firodia to please present them with the memento. And for soap carving, I'd call upon Pratiksha Rane to please come up and collect a prize. I'd also like to congratulate the PGCET toppers we have already congratulated, but I'd like to congratulate Yogesh Chaudhary, Jeetu Godwani and Avdut Avadhani for their fabulous performance in PGCET. There is another announcement. Dr. Manish Ranade wanted to show his appreciation for the Marathi drama, and he has decided to give a monetary prize for the entire Marathi drama team and a special prize to Sumedh Shinde for his overall brilliance in singing, dancing, and a fantastically played protagonist in the Marathi drama. Congratulations to all. I'd like to call upon our principal sponsors from Sahara, Mr. and Mrs. Arif, who have just joined us. Please come up on stage. I now call upon Dr. Paul to say a few words.
My dear friends, Dr. Mansingh Pawar, Professor and Head Operative Department, Dr. Umarji, Professor and Head Oral Medicine and Radiology, Dr. Dimple Mistry, Head of the Department of Periodontia, General Secretary Dr. Azim Oja, Dr. Bonde, Cultural Chairman, my colleagues and my dear friends. First of all, I wish to congratulate those who have got these merit awards, certificates, and this certificate and merit award, I wish to tell them it should not remain only for that particular year, it should remain for their entire career. So they should note that okay, this is the start of the beginning and this is a token of appreciation. The same appreciation they should get to each and every aspect of their field, wherever they want, wherever they wish to work. Friends, since the last 4 days I am observing this particular your harmony, anything from the day one, what are the activities have been conducted, second, third. Yesterday there was very excellent, that is the Granth, that Maukik Arogya Granth Dindi, and really it was marvelous, and all the activities are conducted very nicely, the cultural and several activities, whatever the, and definitely this credit goes to the people, those who have taken a lot of efforts for the success of this particular activity. And person behind that particular success of the none other than Dr. Azim Oza. Why I give credit to him? Because I have seen him since he was a third year. He organized good events during that third year, especially the community dentistry. He organized 2-3 rallies on that particular year very effectively, and at the same year also they have participated one act play. I think most of the senior students, they might have the witness for the act, that particular road show. At the same time, he has also seen that how the secretary or the leader should be prominent. He can show the proper communication, the proper work distribution, and proper planning. With these 3 factors are very much essential, and all these 3 factors which are there in this particular river secretary. He has kept in communication with all the conveners who is conducting this particular activity. Not only that, the person who is the staff in charge, the scientific, the cultural, and no, if at all a person who is not concerned with that particular activity, he has also kept in touch with all the heads of the department and staff. And the staff which are present here, the staff which were present in the all were activities, that because of he has kept the communication with everybody and with the higher and highest authority. This is what which is required for the good leader and the good leadership quality, this quality which he has got. I have not come, or I am not mostly here to tell his positive thing. Only I am telling the quality which leaders should have, and this leadership quality you all should, I expect all you should have. And then only you are going to be a success for your entire your life. Just before this harmony is going to be begin, 2 or 3 days, one of your boy came to me and said, I would like to record something. And so, what is harmony? So, this is actually what is harmony means. I am an academician, I am not a politician, so that I answered diplomatically at that particular time. Then I told him, just wait for a day or 2. And that day, I had not wear the tie. I was not that my shirt was little bit of shabby and all these things. Suppose I had to answer in front of camera, I had to be at least tie, very neat, apron, etc. So whatever that neatness has to be there. And something has to be speak in front of that particular camera. But I will prepare little bit and I will just speak with him. He told me he is going to be show that clip in that particular very first day. But whether it was shown or not, I don't know. But I think I came to know, I think the clip was only the recorded and thereafter it was not him. What I told him, only this particular thing I am going to bring. Generally, without writing, it is very difficult to say in front of such type of public speeches and all these things. As very rightly say, I am an academician. I know everything about A to Z about my subject, but not in this public and all these things. I have to prepare and then I have to speak. Even though I will try to speak without this particular writer. I told in front of that camera, once that particular, what is harmony? I told him, it is nothing but getting along with everybody with love and affection, with togetherness. That is the harmony. Everybody has got all the aspect. I am a head of the department of periodontology, professor and head. I consider this is my one aspect. The another aspect, that is the community dentistry, in which I do the lots of the activity. The third is the dental hygienist, that is the 3 departments which are there. And I will not forget, I was the rector of the hostel for about 20 years. I will not forget, whatever I am here, it's because of I was the rector of the hostel. That is the 4th aspect. The 5th aspect, that is, I am the editor of the Journal of the Dental Dialogue, which is successfully since last 10 to 15 years. I am also secretary, the national level secretary of the Indian Society of Periodontology at national level. And the 6th one, that is our family. The family we should not forget. These are the 7 aspects, and all the 7 aspects, getting along with all the 7 aspects. In short, काही गोष्टीला की नाही तो एक शब्द म्हणजे काय उसने आणून चालत नाहीत आणि ते शब्द आपल्या मातृभाषेतच त्याच्यामध्ये सर सांगितलं त्या भाषेतच सांगायला लागतात. हे 7 अंग माझ्या जीवनाची या प्रत्येकाच्या जीवनाचे एक 7 सूर असतात आणि त्यात 7 सुरांचा एक सुरेख समन्वय साधून एक सुमधुर संगीत निर्माण करून ते गात 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 एक सुरेख श्रवणीय गाणे आपणासमोर गाऊन हेच एक आहे, यालाच एक हार्मोनी म्हणतात. त्याचबरोबर एक सामाजिक बांधिलकी म्हणून समाजापुढे जाऊन आपण जे काय शिकलो ते त्यांना तळागाळातल्या माणसाला देणं म्हणजे आणि त्यांचा उद्धार करणं, त्यांचा अवेअरनेस करणं, ती एक हार्मोनीच आहे. आणि हे सगळं करत असताना त्याचं एक प्रेम, एक प्रेमाचा एक सुगंध, एक प्रेमाचा सुगंध असं एक दरवळत ठेवणं हीच एक हार्मोनी असते. प्रेमाला इंग्लिश उर्दूमध्ये इश्क प्यार हा शब्द आहे, सुगंधाला महक आहे, जाता जाता एक शेर आहे, जाता जाता एक शेर आहे. प्रेमाचा सुगंध म्हणजे महक इश्क की, महक इश्क की कम नहीं होती, महक इश्क की कम नहीं होती, इसके ज़िंदगी ख़त्म नहीं होती, इसकी ज़िंदगी ख़त्म नहीं है. अगर साथ हो आप सब दोस्तों का, अगर साथ हो आप सब दोस्तों का, आप सब लोगों का और इस हार्मोनी का, तो ज़िंदगी जन्नत से ख़त्म नहीं होती. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Mansingh Pawar to please come and say a few words.
Dr. Paul, Dr. Umarji, Dr. Mistry, Asim Khoja. There is a reason why I am telling you this. When I came to the dais of this Harmony 2006, I immediately remembered the first year of Harmony, that was in 1999. We started Harmony with the whole objective that the students will get platform to explore their talents in the field other than dentistry. I underquote this, okay? And the then secretary, I don't remember his name as usual. I really don't remember the names of the students, which I am supposed to be remembering, but I don't. But Khoja, now he is sitting in front of me. I just remember that boy who stood first in All India PGD CET examination. So what I feel that harmony is now ended. It's good. Everything is fine. Everybody has done best. I'm there to congratulate all of you. But I think Khoja will work with the same spirit, and he will bring another General Secretary of this institute who has stood first in PGDCET. I always say that everything and anything is possible unless and until you decide to do it. As you decided, and Harmony 2006 went well, absolutely well. You know, one of my patients came just in the morning and was telling that your students are really doing very well in Rangoli. That person was going around the college. Then he has seen that Dindi Yatra also, Granth and Mukha Arogya, this thing. It's something different. And I think all talent we have, it's not that we don't have talent, we have talent. On the day of inauguration, Dr. Damle said that you are in the prime institute of India, oldest institute of India, whatever it is. It is a fact of the day that this institute still carries the best name. And there are two reasons. There are two basic reasons when we compare the scenario of dental education as on today. We still stand first. It is not that we have gone down somewhere, but because one is a clinical material, he has said, yes, dentist cannot be a better dentist if he is not trained. I am not going to speak upon the academics and all that, but I'll tell you, the another aspect, I think we have, as far as infrastructure is concerned, because he specifically mentioned that in private colleges, infrastructure is better. Believe me, my friends, I have fought against this particular statement in dental council meeting, and I have said that in our college, what concept we have, can you name any other college? I don't want to name those concepts because fortunately they are all on first floor, and you will say that I am trying to tell, but it's a fact. It's a fact that none colleges. So we don't lack anywhere as far as the infrastructure is concerned. So my friends, I want that all of you should excel in academics also. See, morning when I was listening to Dr. Paul, this is first time that I am really telling you, very few occasions I attend the lectures given by the guest lectures. With the permission of Dr. Paul, I had just discussed with him. I tell you that you really cannot learn dentistry. If I am too loud, I have to be loud. You really cannot learn dentistry and the skills in these guest lectures. Keep that in mind. Your course is of 4 years. All these clinical subjects are taught right from second year, third year, and final year. Not only that, you are independently working. I think this is the only profession. I don't know whether you are aware of or not. No other than dentistry treats patients when the students are treating the patients. No other profession has that concept. And I think we are even trained in that aspect. So my friends, I just want to tell on this day that your scientific contributions given by various people were best. But keep that in mind that whatever you want to learn, you can learn only in classes, lecture latches, if you really want to learn. And then you practice. When you want to really do something more than what you have learned, you get all these from these guest lectures. I never said that Dr. Paul gave a lecture as a guest lecture because he is a full-time teacher in Government Dental College and Hospital, Mumbai. Because the concept of full-time teacher is also vanishing. So there's another thing, because that day Dr. Damle did not mention that this is the only institute, no, I'm talking about government institutes, where the full-time teachers are available. And you must exploit that aspect also. I am not saying that you are not, but it is required. We must get a name at university level. We must get names at PGDCET conducted by State of Maharashtra as well as All India Entrance Examination. And I'm sure that you will do it. It's not that you will not. You will be able to do it, but you must decide. And I think all of you take a oath that in next PGD, I'm talking about the Khoja's batch, there will be at least first 15 students who will get admissions from Government Dental College for post-graduation. That's required. we should excel in all the fields, but our field is dentistry. We can't forget that, because after this you are not going to dance on the desk. There's no doubt that there are few people who can change, but majority of you have to see that you are really going to do in academics and clinical management. I was very proud when I listened to Kasture, who spoke on that day. It was really excellent, and I felt so proud that one of my students, that means there are people who can really do something very best, you can say. And I was really surprised, because you don't know, when I joined this institute, I didn't know how to talk Marathi, forget about talking English. This was the situation of Dr. Pawar. And I think all of you will agree today that I can really talk good English. Definitely, because I have not learned English anywhere. This is the institute which has given. Not only that, I'll tell you, whatever I am here, the credit goes to this particular place. There's another truth about my life, I'll tell you. I have stayed in this basement, because when I joined this institute, I never had any accommodation in Bombay. Can you imagine? Forget about money and other things. You are so lucky. You have got so many facilities, including money. Your parents, they are spending so much, they are so much caring. My father, I just told after 6 months that I want to leave GDC. What he said, if you have to leave, don't come back to home. So this institute can create Dr. Pawar and other people. There are so many people who have gone abroad, and I want that all of you should also excel in the field of academics, and wish you really all the best. On this occasion, if I have told you something other than what you expected, but I really want that Khoja, after this 2006, concentrate in studies, all with his team, because I don't know who are there, but all with his team, and they all, how many people are there in your team? Not less than 15, hope so. So all 15s will really excel, and they can do it. All the best. First year students, we have got the prizes. Second year students, we have got the prizes. Third year, final year, all of you. And I wish that remaining today's show also goes comfortably. Something very surprising this year, there are no fights. At least I have not heard about fights. This is something very surprising. I'll tell you, whenever there is a little problem, at least student remember me. And yesterday somebody called me up and said, sir, we are not getting permission of some police, I don't know, whatever it is. But I'll tell you, our institute has a name not only in the dentistry. You go anywhere, government dental college, forget about dentistry, go to police, they will know. Even IG visits our hospital, the Chief Justice visits our hospital, the ministers visit our hospital. So it's a privilege. So see, my friends, that this academic aspects also continues in the same way. Rather, it should excel better than what it was before, because now you are in the era of modernization. We are modernizing. It's not that we are not modernizing. Yes, I have also modernized. I am also, changed my department in such a way that now everything is there in my department. You may not be knowing, my friends, about my department and this government dental college. People talk outside all over the country. And that's the privilege which government dental college has. It is not the job of one person, there's no doubt. But keep this in mind, it is all you. Go in harmony, be united, and stand together. Everything is going to be fine. And I want that, okay? All the best.
Thank you, sir. I now request Dr. Dimple Mistry and our General Secretary Azim Khoja to please come up and say a few words.
Good evening and a warm welcome to one and all. Being the teacher in charge for the cultural events for the year 2005 and 6, I would now like to express my thanks to all the people who have made this event rockingly successful. To begin with, I would like to thank our beloved Dean, Dr. Meshram, for his valuable time, support and encouragement. I thank all the heads of the departments for their guidance and cooperation, the entire teaching and the non-teaching faculty, not to forget all the people from the PWD, workshop, stores, canteen, electricity, everyone who has backed us up throughout the entire 4 days. Azim.
So ma'am has practically included the entire spectrum of the people to thank. She has made my job relatively easier. Good evening, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank the one man who has stood as the foundation of this entire event called Harmony 2006. If Harmony 2006 is a successful play, then he is the central character of this play. And he is none other than our beloved Dean, Dr. Suresh Meshram. A big round of applause for Dr. Suresh Meshram. Unfortunately, he had to leave for a DCI meeting at Simla, so he couldn't attend the last day, the annual day. I very much wish that he could be here for this day and to see Harmony end in a very successful way, to see it through. Dr. Meshram has stood as an absolute father figure in this entire event, and in spite of his busy schedule, he is the dean of our institution. In spite of his many thousand works, whenever we used to go to his cabin to have any help for Harmony 2006, without any delay and to the prompt service, he used to extend his help to us. I remember once that I had gone into his cabin in a very frantic situation when we were in a very bad position when it comes to funds. So that day I went into his cabin and he was having lunch at that point, and because he obviously had been delayed from his lunch schedule. So I went in and he called me. I said, "Sir, I'll come back later." He said, No, nothing doing, sit now. And we started informally speaking, and I informed him about how poor our funds were at that point of time. And he immediately just randomly started taking names of firms which he had contacts with. And by the end of that session, I think Dr. Puri and Dr. Gaikwad were also there. By the end of that session, we had at least 40 names in front of me with the contact numbers and with the person to be contacted. So it has been great help from him, not only in terms of sponsorship. This was just an example. At every point of time, his unending enthusiastic support has really seen the event through. I'd like a big round of applause for him. Similarly, just yesterday, today being the session for life surgery, I asked Paul sir yesterday at about 7:30, quarter to 8, just after the play, sorry, about 8:30, that sir, what about the live surgery tomorrow, sir? Do we have to arrange for the cameras and everything? He said just one line, "Khoja, don't worry, I'm there." And believe me, he has done it that way. I have seen absolutely nothing in the live surgery department, and you all know how much of a success it has been this morning. Thank you, sir. Again, when the funds were in a very bad position, I had gone to Pawar sir to ask him, "Sir, if you could contact some places, because as usual we are not getting many sponsors." So at that very instant he said that definitely I'll be calling them, and he took out his phone and just dialed about 6 to 7 numbers on the spot, and he said that our students are going to come to you, you better help them. And a big round of applause for him too. Thank you, sir. So now if you think that the function is very grand, you know who to thank. Also at the same time, I'd like to extend my thanks to Dr. Puri and Dr. Gaikwad for their unending, very enthusiastic support at each point of time. They are people who have bridged the gap. I mean, they are people of the middle generation, and we are very close to them. They have actually stayed back at nights, maintained the entire decorum of the event so far. They have stayed back for sponsorship. We have gone places for sponsorship. They used to take us to places for sponsorship, leaving the entire day's schedule here. I mean, the schedule must have been in a big mess, and I'm sorry for that, sir. And a very warm thank you to you all. Thank you, sir. I'd also like to thank our chief sponsors. First of all, Sara Couriers and Cargo Services, Mr. Arif and his wife. Thank you, sir, wherever you are, for sponsoring almost over ₹1 lakh for the backdrops and the decorations. It has been a wonderful event, and sir, the credit goes mainly to you. I'd like to thank our principal sponsor Colgate for their constant and perpetual support year after year, and to State Bank of India for being the sponsor for the second time in a row. Thank you very much. Besides sponsorship in cash, we've also had sponsorship in kinds like Avon Gifts, Lakme Gifts, Gaylord gift coupons, and many other gifts to come. I'd now like to hand over the mic to Dr. Dimple.
When we are talking about sponsorships, there is one intern whom I would like to mention. Every day she would come to me, Madam, 10,000 ka check mila, Madam, 5,000 ka check mila. This went on and on to an extent that she managed to collect an amount to the tune of rupees 65,000. She is none other than our own beloved intern, Abhilasha. Please give her a big round of applause. Abhilasha, I want you on stage. Wherever you are, Abhilasha, please come up on the stage. She's also managed to get us gifts from Lakme, Satyam Creations, Gaylord's gift coupon. This event would not have been successful without a superb sound system which covered up our entire auditorium, lecture theatres, and the wonderful live surgery that we had today, for which I'm sincerely thankful to the Chakor sound system. If Mr. Chakor or anybody from that sound system is there, please come up on the stage. I would like to thank you with a floral tribute. Our video recordings and photographs have been covered up exclusively by Mr. Kunal, who works for the Sony Entertainment Television. Mr. Kunal, can you please come up on the dais? He's done a superb job for the live surgery. And I'm sure that I wouldn't have been able to pull up such an audience without our rocking DJ, Sunil. Please welcome Sunil on the stage. He deserves a big, big round of applause. At least for the number of times I'll be the teacher in charge for culturals, I have taken a pledge from Sunil that he has to be here. So, Dr. Paul, I would request you. Last but definitely not the least, the entire organizing committee for Harmony 2006, by which I mean the entire batch of interns. You all rock the show. I am not going to take names because I'm sure I'm going to forget a few. I want all of you to stand up, applaud for yourself and the entire audience as well. Please stand up and wave so that I know you are here to listen to all this. It was amazing and fabulous. You deserve it. You deserve it. Great going. Maximum amount of participation and maximum devotion to organization. Now the cord between this organizing committee of interns and the staff was none other than our very efficient, hard-working, and one word which I use for him, a multi-talented personality, Mr. Azim Khoja. It's very difficult to organize and participate at the same time. Azim, I definitely remember those days, your sleepless nights, your foodless days, unshaven for almost, I think, 2 months. But well, he has done a very great job. Thank you so much, Azim.
Thank you, everybody. I'd like to extend a very my sincere gratitude to Newest Meditech Industries, Mr. Prem Vathore, for his financial support for the program. Now, besides all the sponsors who have definitely helped us for the program in small or big ways, in cash or kind, and in many ways, we have the organizing team. About 45 days back, when Harmony was just a dream, all of us GD sites, all of us, and I mean all of us in this auditorium and outside, we all came as one, knowing that the task was never going to be easy. that we GD-cites would have to toil that extra mile to organize this most successful weight reduction program called Harmony 2006. In fact, I was thinking of asking Dimple ma'am to felicitate the entire college and the organizing team for having broken VLCC's record by collectively losing more than 50 kgs. So a big round of applause for the entire organizing team. We all came, we all put in a lot of hard work, and today, as I see this mega fiesta unfold, it gives me an immense sense of pride to be a representative of such an enthusiastic and a never say die attitude student community. Hats off to the student community. Hats off to you students. I'm really proud of y'all. Each one of y'all in your own small or big ways has been a real help to the event. The first years, whether by compulsion or mostly by voluntary service, have helped us a lot. The second and third years and the final years, in spite of the busy schedule and the exams which they had to toil for, they have been of help whenever it has been possible for them. I thank them a lot. And my beloved batchmates, the interns, all of them deserve a big applause. Now, besides all these people collecting around, there needs to be one person who bridges the gap between the staff and the students, who has to take up the post of the one person who has to be responsible for the event. And you all know her. Her persona is charming, her enthusiasm is infectious, and a never say die attitude will take this college a long way, and that is none other than Dr. Dimple Mistry. I'd like to call upon Paul sir to felicitate Dr. Dimple Mistry. Sir, please. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for your never-ending support. All of our students will remember this for a long time to come. I'd like to extend my gratitude to Dr. Umarji, who has single-handedly taken the scientific session to what it has come to this date. No need to mention, he deserves a big round of applause. Also, along with me, my colleague and very good friend of mine, Dr. Ashwin Bonde, who has been the cultural secretary for this year. I'd like a big round of applause for Dr. Bonde as well. Thank you, Ashwin. Amongst all the enthusiasm, all the panic, all the frustration and all the happy moments, if I have faltered or been rude to anybody, or in the moment just expressed my anger onto someone in the heat of the moment, I absolutely apologize for that. Please forgive me. I'm a very young person and I have a lot of inexperience in me. So just consider it my mistake and forgive me for all that has happened. I'd like to thank one and all, and if I have forgotten to mention anybody, please consider that the list is endless and it is a very difficult task to thank the organizers or people who have helped such a big program in such a big way. Thank you very much.
With this, we come to the end of the prize distribution and the vote of thanks ceremony. Kindly sit back and enjoy the rest of the program. Thank you.